How to get cheap shipping on AllChinaBuy. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce shipping costs on AllChinaBuy when ordering from your laptop or computer by choosing smart shipping options and using built-in tools. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open AllChinaBuy interface, and it's good if you have signed in already. And you're gonna search for any product. For example, I'm gonna search for shirt and then click on get. So once you do so, you'll be able to see various shirts within the AllChinaBuy interface. And here you can see that there are a number of shirts that you can buy, and you can also specify which kind of shirt you want. For example, this is the one that I wish to buy, so I'm going to click on it. And here you can see that this is the specific shirt and this is for this much of price. Now you can see that this is a lot, and if you want to select any size, you can do so. You can also select colors. And after that, what you're going to do is simply click on buy now. So once you do click on buy now, you'll be taken to the AllChinaBuy interface where you're going to select your country, and then you're going to select various things. So here you're going to click on inbound with original packing. So here you can see that if you do not select, like, inbound with original packing refers to that before your products arrived. So if you select this service, your parcel will still be unpacked to check for contraband and inspection. And if the packing box does not meet the requirement of the service, the system will automatically cancel it for you. Now, if you don't need inbound with original packing, you can simply click on confirm. And what would basically happen is that if you want unpack the original packaging for inspection and photo taking, you can click on no or yes. So if you don't want to inbound with original packing, you can cancel that, and that will reduce your shipping costs. Now, if you go over to Reddit, someone has asked how to make shipping cheaper, and the person has replied saying ship stuff that are in boxes without the boxes if you don't need them. So as simple as that, you gotta remove the inbound with boxing, and after that you can simply head over, click on submit, and place your order. And after that, you'll get a bit of cheap shipping than the original shipping costs. That was how you can get cheap shipping on AllChinaBuy. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.